Hi, and come and learn with me how to make graphic lines on the eyes. Okay, so right now I have this Mars lip liner in the shade of spiced cranberry 11. Okay, so I'm gonna make lines with this, and I have tried it out before, so trust me on this one. Now I'm taking this lip liner, a line from here, and then this and this. Oh my god, I'm scared, but yeah, okay, let's do it. Okay. I actually did a pretty well job. Out because okay, yeah, now I think it's look much more better. Oh my god, that was a B, bitch. So now I'm here taking a eyeliner, and this is a liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna open the eyeliner and I'm just gonna make line on this. Oh no, as you can see I messed it up. Oh my god, this is what happens when you use a liquid eyeliner. It's okay, I'm not gonna wipe it out, but I'm gonna just make a thick line, so it's just gonna go with the flow. Oh my god, यार मैं eyeliner इस आँख पे लगा रहा हूँ, आंसू इसमें क्यों आ रहे हैं? Okay, so I do think that I have did a pretty well job with this, and now I'm gonna make the same out here too. I missed to make a line here too, so I'm making it. Yeah, you know what? I am using Blue Heaven eyeliner and it is eking on my eyes. Blue Heaven, what is this? You're gonna tell me why whenever your foundation, your eyeliner, your mascara, worst product ever have bought. Like if I'm buying something cheap, which is in what I can afford, doesn't mean you will sell me anything just to waste my skin. Okay, so as you can see, the one is different, this one is kind of different, so both are not perfect. Like both are perfect, but both are different. So yeah, I think I have messed a little bit, but it looks so good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm also gonna make sharp edges here with the eyeliner. This line has gone up here and this is like very perfect, so maybe I'm gonna do this up here too. Like that. Bro, it's still not matching. What should I do, man? Oh my god. You know what? I have heard somewhere. Oh my god, बारिश हो रही है. You know what? I have heard somewhere. If messing is an art, so this is too. And now I'm gonna complete this look by applying mascara, which I have not taken here. So I'm gonna go and take it. Now I'm gonna just apply eyeliner. आज ना मुझसे बोला नहीं जा रहा गाइस. थोड़ा सा इसे बंद रखेंगे क्योंकि मुंह तो बंद हो नहीं रहा. And now I'm applying mascara. Okay. I hope you all love this video and find this helpful. I am in love with this graphic line design and I hope you loved it too. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you soon.